my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. Welcome to Upper Public School online classes. I am Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi, your English language teacher for grade 3. So far, you all have learnt about some of the topics of grammar. Today, we are going to start with your textbook. I hope you all are having this textbook. That is Collins Revised Exploring English textbook. I want you all to open this textbook. Today we are going to study about the first lesson. What is the first lesson? The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Yes, it's written on the board. Lesson number 1, The Tale of Peter Rabbit. About this lesson we are going to study. Okay students, before I could start the lesson, I want to ask you all few questions. Your parents every day they tell you to do some things and they tell you not to do some things. Which are the things they tell you to do? For example, they tell you to brush your teeth and they tell you to wash your hands regularly and they tell you to do your homework on time. And which are the things they tell you not to do? They tell you not to watch more TV or phone. Yes. And they tell you not to have more sweets or chocolates. Why? Why children? Why do they say? Because they care for you. It's only for your good sake. So whenever your parents say something, it's only for your good sake. You have to obey. Now here is a story of Peter Rabbit who did not listen to his mother. So what happens when he did not listen to his mother? We will see in the story. Okay, I will give you a few seconds. You all open page number 12. Okay students, ready? Page number 12. As I read the lesson, I want you all to keep the fingers and read. Okay? Once upon a time, there were 4 little rabbits and their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. They lived with their mother underneath the root of a very big fir tree. Now, my dears, said old Mrs. Rabbit, you may go into the fields or down the lane, but don't go into Mr. McGregor's garden. Then old Mrs. Rabbit took a basket and her umbrella and went through the wood to the baker's. Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail, who were good little bunnies, went down the lane to gather blackberries. Yes, children. See, in the book, you all can see there is old Mrs. Rabbit. And how many little rabbits she has? Yes, 4. What were their names? Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. Shall we write? Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter Rabbit. What were the names of the little rabbits? Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter Rabbit. Okay, now where did they all live? They all live with their mother under a very big fir tree. Fir tree is a tree you all can see in the picture. It's a very big tree which keeps its leaves all the year. Yes, one day this old Mrs. Rabbit called all her little rabbits and told them they can go down the lane or they can go to the field. but they should not go to Mr. McGregor's garden. She advised them not to go to Mr. McGregor's garden. Okay, she said, and she left the place. She left the place with what? She had a basket in her hand and she had a umbrella. She took her umbrella and went through the wood to the baker's. Through the wood means there were a lot of trees. Wood means the area which is covered with more trees. So she went to the baker's. Baker's is a place where bakery items are prepared. Now, when she left the place, these three little bunnies, that is the one who all are wearing the red jacket, that is Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail, they obeyed her mother and they went down the lane. Lane is a narrow road. Through the lane, they went down the lane to collect blackberries. What are blackberries, children? Blackberries, some of you might be knowing, that is a black color fruit which are very juicy and sweet, which are black in color. Okay, they went to collect blackberries. But the one who is wearing the blue jacket, that is Peter Rabbit. What did he do? We will see in the next page. Okay, page number 13. You all concentrate on the reading. But Peter, who was very naughty, ran straight away to Mr. McGregor's garden. First, he ate some lettuces and some French beans, and then he ate some radishes. And then, feeling rather sick, he went to look for some parsley. But this one, the Peter Rabbit, the naughty one, did not listen to mother. He just went to where? He went to Mr. McGregor's garden. So after going there, what did he have? He had lettuces, he had French beans, and then he ate radishes. What did he have? He had lettuces. Lettuces is a green color vegetable which is used in salad. And even this beans, what did he have again? Beans, French beans, and then he had radish. I hope all have seen this. Okay, he had lettuce, French beans, and then he had radish. Okay, then he was feeling sick. He wanted to have some better taste. So he went to look for parsley. What is parsley? What is parsley? A type of plant that makes food taste good. Yes, it's a type of plant that makes food taste good. It looks somewhat like coriander leaves, which we use for our kitchen, which we use for our cooking. Okay, parsley is, what is that? It makes the taste good. Okay, next, what happens there? But there, whom should he meet? But Mr. McGregor. Mr. McGregor ran after Peter, waving the rake and calling out, "Stop thief!" Okay, when he went to look for parsley, whom did he meet there? He met the owner of the garden, that is Mr. McGregor. When Mr. McGregor from the ground, this is called rake. Okay, children? He just waved that rake towards the Peter Rabbit. He shouted at him, "Stop thief!" Yes. Then Peter was very frightened. He rushed all over the garden because he had forgotten the way back to the gate. Yes. Now Peter got frightened. He's scared. Where he'll come and catch me? Who is scared? Peter Rabbit. So he just started rushing everywhere in the garden. So, and he wanted to go back to the gate, but he had forgotten the way how to go back to the gate. Then what happens? He lost one of his shoes among the cabbages and the other shoe among the potatoes. You all have seen cabbages and potatoes? Yes. He lost one shoe in the potatoes and one shoe in the cabbage plants. Okay, he lost both of his shoes there. Then after losing them, he ran faster so that he might get away altogether. But he got caught in a gooseberry net by the large buttons on his jacket. It was a blue jacket with brass buttons, quite new. So you all can see the rabbit is wearing a blue color jacket. So when he was rushing all over the garden again in garden, he ran faster and he got caught in the gooseberry net. This is the which are fruits, these gooseberry fruits. So he got caught. Why this net is put? To protect the fruits so that no birds can come and eat the fruit. So he got caught there. How? Because his jacket was having buttons. So because of that button, he got caught in the net. Okay, next. Now his troubles have increased. So now what happened? Peter started crying. His sobs were heard by some friendly sparrows. They flew to him and encouraged him to try to free himself. So he lost his shoes. He got caught in the gooseberry net. So now he started crying. His sobs. Sobs mean the crying sound. What he's making, that is called sob. So that sound was heard by some of the friendly sparrows. Sparrows were flying high in the sky. So they heard this and they came towards this rabbit to help him. How did they help him? They just encouraged him to get free from this net. Yes. So next what happens? Then suddenly Mr. McGregor came up with a sieve. He wanted to pop it on top of Peter, but Peter escaped just in time, leaving his jacket behind him. He rushed into the tool shed and jumped into a can. It had lot of water in it. So he was trying to get away from the gooseberry net. So at that time, who came? Mr. McGregor came there. So he came now with a sieve. What is sieve? This is called sieve, a tool used to separate small pieces from bigger pieces. What it is? A tool used to separate small pieces from bigger pieces. This is sieve. We usually see this kind of small sieve in our kitchen. You might have seen your mother using this to sieve the wheat flour, java flour and out. Okay. This is called sieve. Okay. Then next, who came with the sieve? Mr. McGregor came with the sieve and he just wanted to put it on that rabbit. He wanted to put it on that rabbit. Who is which rabbit? Peter Rabbit. But Peter, this clever Peter, smart Peter just escaped just in time. And then when he was escaping from that, he left his jacket there only. Okay, because he wanted to just escape from Mr. McGregor. Then where did he go? He just rushed into the tool shed. What is tool shed? Tool shed is a place where the garden tools are kept. So he went inside the tool shed and just there he saw, what did he see there? He saw a water can. It was a big water can. So he just jumped inside that water can. Okay. So after jumping there, what all happens? We will see in our next session, children. Until then, I want you all to read the textbook and till where I have finish the lesson. Till then, you all read and understand the story. Okay, children? Now, remaining story we are going to learn in the next video. Thank you so much, children.